Are you still editing your claims one by one to change their status after an entire batch fails? If you are, there's a better way to do it, and we're going to talk about how to do that through claim management tools in today's tip of the week.
In this Medisoft tip of the week, I'm going to walk you through how to change claim statuses or the media of the claims in bulk. So a lot of times we'll hear of people that, oftentimes in claim management, you need to be able to change many claims from a status of sent back to ready to send, for instance, or change the status from paper to electronic or vice versa, or whatever it needs to be. You may need to update a lot of different claims. And every now and again, we'll hear of people that went in one at a time. They double clicked on a claim, they edited it from sent back to ready to send and hit save, and then went and did that to, let's say, 100 claims or 200 claims or some large number that took a long time. So let me show you how to do that quicker, faster, and in bulk. So let's just say that I want to change, for example, you see all these sent claims here. All of these claims in the status 1 to the primary insurance are all in a status of sent. So if I wanted to change all of these at one time to a status of ready to send, so I can resend for some reason, let's go ahead and do that. So I'll highlight these claims. At the top, there's this button here called change status. Let me click on that. And I get all sorts of options here. For this particular example, we're going to go ahead and leave it on just the selected claims. Although you could select a certain batch number if that's easier for you. If they were all in one batch, just type in the batch number. In this case, they are different batches here. There's a couple different batches. So I'll leave it on the selected claims. I'm going to change it status from. So I'm going to change it from a status of sent back to a status of, or status to, ready to send. And I'm only going to do that from the primary insurance, for the primary insurance. So let me go ahead and hit OK. And you'll see that it takes just a minute, but all of those claims are now in the status of ready to send. And you could do this, right? I did it just for 15 claims or so, but you could do it for hundreds or thousands if you needed to at one point. Sometimes we see this a lot where people didn't have Medisoft set up so that it automatically changes the status of a claim from a status of sent to done once the insurances have finished paying. There's a setting in Medisoft that you have to set up so that Medisoft will automatically do that for you. So because that wasn't set up, what happens over time is you get thousands of claims that are still in the status of sent instead of being changed to done. And when they're in the status of done, they'll fall out of your claim management view. And so they want to go back in and change thousands of claims from a status of sent. These are old claims. They want to change it from a status of sent to done, and you can apply the same concept to all of that. Now, let's also same type of thing can be done, changing the media from paper to electronic. So let's go ahead and select a group of paper claims here. So I'm going to hold the control key on my keyboard, and let's select all of these paper claims here. For example, I'm going to hit change status, and in this case, I'm just going to change the billing method from paper to electronic, and I'm going to do that for the primary insurance and hit OK. And you should see that all of those change from paper to EDI. So that's how you can change or update claims all at once or in bulk batches. So hope that is a helpful tip to you in this tip of the week. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.